Beautiful things happen when you clear your life from negativity. With these words, we will start our work. Now, we will start chapter number 12, Heron's formula. Clear? In this formula, we study about the different types of triangle and how can we find the area of this triangle. And if the triangle in this type, area of triangle is half base cross height, na? And if the area triangle in this type, we don't know the height, how can we find the area using Heron's formula? Clear? The types of triangle. There are three types of triangle according to the sides of triangle. If all sides are equal in the triangle, that means this is an equilateral triangle. Clear? If all three sides are equal, then this triangle is called equilateral triangle. If in the triangle two sides are equal and one is different, then this is called isosceles triangle. Clear? This is called isosceles triangle. And if all three sides are different, it means if one is 2, other is 4, other is 6. So the sides are not in same position, because according to the angle the side may go anywhere. So in this triangle the all three sides are different. This triangle is called scalene triangle. This is called scalene triangle. Equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. Clear? Where ABC can sides of the triangle. And the area of triangle क्या होता है? Half base cross height. Half in this equilateral triangle, half, this is the height of the triangle. This is height of the triangle. Clear? And half base means A, height means H. And in this isosceles triangle, half base have B, height H. In equilateral and isosceles triangle, if we know the three sides of the triangle, easily we can find the value of the height. Then we can use this formula, half base cross height, in equilateral triangle and in isosceles triangle easily, but not in scalene triangle. If we know all the three sides in the scalene triangle, we can't find the height of the triangle because we don't know which angle, what are the angles of the triangle. So we can't find the height of the triangle. In this case, which this formula is not applicable in scalene triangle. So we use in this triangle Heron's formula. Only in Heron's formula, only sides are used, not height. Clear? Firstly, we study about the area of the equilateral triangle. Now we will find the area of the isosceles triangle. Clear? In isosceles triangle, the two sides are equal and the one is different. And I want to tell you one thing about the height and the perpendicular of isosceles and equilateral triangle. Students, in isosceles and equilateral triangle, when we draw the perpendicular on the base, this perpendicular line must be the median of these two triangles. Clear? In isosceles, अगर ये, because opposite sides are equal, if opposites are equal and the mid जो perpendicular line है वो बिल्कुल exact median से होकर पास, median and the perpendicular line coincides, it means they are the same line. This is an activity for you. If you draw an isosceles and equilateral triangle on a one drawing sheet, then if you draw the median, then you can check that this median is the perpendicular on the base. And if you draw a perpendicular, then this perpendicular is the median of the base. Only in isosceles and equilateral triangle, not any other triangle. Clear? Because opposite sides are equal, so the midline is the perpendicular or the median. Clear? So this is the height. This line is perpendicular, this line is median. That means this angle is 90 degree. Area of triangle क्या होता है? Half base cross height. Clear? Half. In this triangle, the base is B and height is H. Now we have to find the value of H. Clear? H. ABD is an right angle triangle. ABD is a right angle triangle, and in right angle triangle, we use Pythagoras theorem. What Pythagoras theorem says? He says, this theorem says that if you know the two sides of the triangle, easily you can find the third side. Clear? If you know, in a triangle there are three sides. If you know the two sides, easily you can find the third side by using Pythagoras theorem. क्या होती है? In triangle ABD, ठीक है? This is a right angle triangle. So using Pythagoras क्या कहती है? Hypotenuse का square equal to base square plus height square. Base square plus height square. 90 की opposite line क्या होती है? Hypotenuse. It means a square is equal to base कितना है? देखो लिसन, if this complete line is b, that means median है तो b by 2 होगा. तो base का square, it means b by 2 square plus height square. Height है h का square. Clear? We have to find the value of height and we have to put this height in this statement. Clear? तो a square is equal to b square by 4 plus h square. We have to find the height. अब height चाहिए तो सेकंड वाला है, हम उसको साइड चेंज कर दें. That means a square minus b square by 4 equal to x square. ठीक है. अब हमें तो फाइंड चाहिए, हमें तो वैल्यू सिर्फ h की चाहिए. सो वी हैव टू स्क्वायर रूट बोथ साइड. अब स्क्वायर रूट कर दो दोनों साइड. a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर बाय 4. अब x स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट और अंडर रूट both cancel. That means this is the value of h. Now put this value of h in this our statement, our formula. Half base screw side. अब वैल्यू पुट करो. हाफ बेस कितना है b, हाइट कितनी आई है a स्क्वायर minus b square by 4. This is our height now. Now for solve this. Half b cross, take LCM. If you take LCM, 4a square minus b square by 4. Clear? अब 4 स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर है, बाहर निकालेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा 1/2. इसको 2 से 2 बाहर ले लो. 1/2 दिस एंड दिस, ये 2 बाहर आके आएगा ऐसे. क्रॉस b क्रॉस 4a square minus b square. It means 1/4 cross b cross 4a square minus b square. This is the area of isosceles triangle. Clear? That's it.